Hi, I'm Robin Higgins, and this is the essential atoms important to physiological processes. Okay, so what atoms are essential for the body? Well, there's a bunch. Let's go over a few of them. So first, let's look at cytosine, and this is actually one of the 4 nucleotides that DNA has. So all DNA is made of these 4 different types of bases. And so in this guy alone, you've got nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, and then these little bends each represent a carbon. So already we have, we'll do IA for important atoms. We have nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, and carbon. These are definitely super important ones. You've probably heard that on Earth, life is carbon-based, and that's definitely true. What that means is that kind of the backbone of most atoms that involve us are made of carbon. So if we go down here, we look at our basic functional group, the amide. This, once again, is oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and hydrogen. So the same ones as we already had. And amides are really important because these are the backbones for proteins. And we're almost entirely made of proteins. So your skin, your organs, it's pretty much your hair, it's all proteins. So it's really important, and each one contains this little functional group, and then they have other stuff attached to them. So it's super important that we have amides. So once again, these 4. But that's not all. So these 3 chemicals are actually present in stomach acid. So hydrochloric acids, we can add up here. Chlorine, also hydrogen. Potassium chlorides, we can add potassium. And then sodium chlorides, we can add sodium. So all of these are also in your body and are crucial to make your stomach function. Of course, you probably heard that we use other atoms. For instance, our bones need calcium. And the list kind of goes on and on. There's going to be millions of different reactions your body is running. And there's a lot of different elements that they use for each reaction. On average, though, we are organic beings, and so that means that we are not going to be using a whole lot of metals, and we're going to mostly be using things that are on the top right of the periodic table. So kind of this little area here. And then some of this little area too. And so basically we use bunches of different atoms. Sulfur is also up there, that's important. But the main guys are probably these 3 plus nitrogen. Those are very, very crucial. I'm Robin Higgins, and this has been the essential atoms in important physiological processes.